Let's take a look at a Scout 195 SF. I'm Jim Pinkham with MarineMax Lake Norman, 704-997-2168. This boat's powered by a Yamaha 115 4-stroke. It has trim tabs, seats in the back of the boat. It's got a nice leaning post with a live well underneath. It has a Fusion stereo system on it. Little footrest, your little battery charger down here, your on-off switch. Got a real nice wide beam on the boat. Has a cooler in the front, T-top, rod holders. This is in the black color scheme. A-side finish on all of your lockers. This is the 2019 Scout 195 Sportfish. If you'd like to see this or any of the other boats that we carry at MarineMax Lake Norman, I'm Jim Pinkham, 704-997-2168. Give us a call or come on by.